Good morning traders, it's Simon at Kairos Capital Markets with the daily direction prediction for Monday the 30th of October. So on my watch list for Monday is only one trade ideally, and that's pound Kiwi short, and I will show you why. So firstly we're going to go to the monthly charts because even the monthly has a little bit of confidence there. As you can see, we are in a downwards trend here, making lower highs, lower lows all the way down since the year 2000. So the fact that we've come down below the 1.9 level and come back up to test it on the monthly chart now, I know we've got a couple of days left, but still it's quite valid there. The main thing here though is RSI is moving up to the upside. We're at 92 at the moment on RSI, so that's almost oversold to the maximum as such. So it looks as though there'd be something there. Now when you look onto it on the weekly chart, on the weekly we had some good bullish moves to the upside since September this year. And we've come up to this little zone of 1.9 to 1.92. When I zoom out here now in the yellow box, you can see this zone has been quite a lot of support and resistance, and the fact that it's kissed the very top of this box and come back down again is quite significant in my eyes, and I quite like it. Also again, RSI was at 100 and now peaking down a little bit, and you can say there's MACD divergence on the weekly, bearish MACD divergence there. So for me personally, that's a bit more confidence there. Now when you pop down to the daily chart, you will see what happened here. So you've got the level of 1.92 on the daily. You can see in the past it has had support and resistance, and when you come down here, this really has had quite a lot of a run here, consolidated for a couple of weeks, then popped to the upside again. So for me personally, I think it needs a pullback overall. Just especially the weekly chart, and the pullback is quite clear going to be around about the 1.896 area as the first level. So when you now look onto the hourly chart, before I go that side, your RSI also again is oversold at 100. So you've got the monthly, weekly and day all oversold at 100. You've got a key level, you've got your deceleration reversal candles there, so that's why I like that. Now on the hour chart, as you can see here, we've got the 1 hour 50 EMA has been trending quite nicely. It has, with a clean break to the downside. This is a nice run down here. So this is a clean run. I'm looking for a pullback and some lower high around this area here somewhere. And we do get that close below the 382 of this little mini pullback here. And I like to get out at 1.902. The reason why I want that is because on the 4 hour chart, you've got the 4 hour 50 EMA there, which is just saying, I know it hasn't been respected at all, but I don't want to, while we're in a bull trend, I don't want to trade through that. And again, if you look at the 1 hour chart, that would be where your swing highs and lows are here. That'd be around about there somewhere. Now I know you can say it's here as well, and you've got a bit of support there, but the fact we're looking for is a lower high here. I feel it'll break down that level and come down to test the bottom of 1.9 pretty much. So that's what I'm looking for this week. I do feel that the dollar pairs also gave a bit of a could give you a pullback. But for example, Kiwi dollar, this hasn't, on the intraday, hasn't actually made a good move upwards. So it looks the dollar's still slightly stronger than the pound. So in that sense, we're going to sell against that. I'd rather sell against the pound rather than the dollar. So that's the reason why I like the pound Kiwi as much here. And obviously the risk reward about 1.6%, and that'd be nice to close this month out. That would be. Okay guys, I hope you had a good weekend, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.